welcome sa isa na namang episode ng VIP Lounge where we feature very inspiring Pinoypreneur, and I hope this time you get inspired because we have this power couple who got their dream house and lots of dreams because of their vitamin business. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's do a house tour and be inspired with our guest this episode. I'm talking about no less than the power couple, Billy and Pin de la Fuente. Halika, tignan natin yung bahay nila at baka may palunch, Swertihin tayo ngayong araw na to. Look at their property here in Batangas. Ayan, katok-katok, wala man doorbell, Okay lang naman, no trespassing. Hi, Billy and Pin!
Hi, guys!
I hope you don't mind, Dala ko ang buong netizens para makita ang inyong mansyon, Welcome to
Chateau de la Fuente! Yay! Pasok tayo. Welcome sa Chateau.
Wow, ang lamig, ang lamig. Parang centralized aircon. Grabe kahit anong init sa labas dito, parang ang lamig.
Siyempre, dapat.
Punta tayo dito sa living area pa lang, ha? Punta tayo dito. How many can this accommodate?
So actually, ang gusto namin comfortably, as much as possible, hanggang 30 packs lang talaga. But some people, pwede pang magdagdag kung may party, mga 30 to 40 packs. So nakikita niyo yung mga artworks behind us. Okay, so lahat yan inspired by different emotions ko.
Parang gallery of emotions.
Gallery of
Yes,
emotions
correct.
during
Ayan.
pandemic and post-pandemic.
Siyempre, doon naman tayo sa, di ba, yung favorite part ko, yung entertainment area.
Parang den,
Yes.
So on this part, actually, this is the entertainment area and slash bar. So may mini bar kami doon sa part na yun. And TV area also. And then I added this touch kasi nga gusto ko parang Italy o kaya restaurant touch. Pero perfect dyan. Pag umupo ka dito, ang view mo ay yung mga paintings ko.
We opted to have a smaller table para mas intimate.
As you can see, just to share with you guys, yung interiors natin is more on Mediterranean style.
So, hindi lang siya pang family sa
Yes.
bonding, pero pang sports.
Umupo tayo, experience natin. O, di ba? Sa mga mahalaman.
Itong pool na to na design, pwede rin silang pang bata. So, ayan, less than a feet. And then, 3 to 4 feet yung dun sa pool. Ito naman yung kitchen.
But this part here is the outdoor toilet and bath para sa mga gusto mo nang mag-swimming or gustong mag-shower before going to the swimming pool. So this is where we do our bonfires.
Ang pinaka-favorite part ko dito, itong court.
Basketball.
Itong court na to, half court.
Etong shot na to, fade away.
Yeah.
Pag na-shot ko to, mape-fade na ako.
Wag. Ayan,
Go,
sige,
Troy!
testing natin,
Para kay Oliver.
Iyon!
Oh!
Yeah!
So, isa sa pinaka-inaabangan at pinipicturean ng mga guests at nagpupunta dito sa bahay is the design, yung labas na pang-design ng bahay. So, eto yan. Tadaan!
So guys, ito naman part na to, yung favorite ko na mag-tea, Kasi makita nyo, yung dagat, yung trees, and then yung landscape, sobrang nakaka-relax, yung hangin, Kaya perfect spot for relaxation. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob.
Very hardworking woman. Yung babae na malaking pangarap, maraming pangarap. Pero ang pinaka-goal is to be the best mom and wife to Billy and our children, Godfrey and Joaquin and Sophie. When I was little, I really loved to do arts. So my family already knew that I have artistic skills. However, since nung bata ako, hindi naman kami mayaman. So, ang mahal ng mga gamit for art. So, I set it aside. So, ang nangyari naman yan, since we are related to German, I ended up in hospitality.
So ako naman, I'm a man of many hats. I'm the type of guy na outdoors, I love walking, sporty, you name it, lahat ng sports, basketball, volleyball, badminton, lahat ng extreme sports or normal sports talagang simula bata, pinasok ko yun. So, naging varsity din, volleyball, badminton, basketball. Pero bata pa lang ako, mahilig na akong maglaro ng mga kotse. Bukod sa sports, I'm what you call a serial entrepreneur. I love doing startups. On top of that, as early as 26, no, talaga nakaplano na yon na gusto kong maging matinding, magaling na daddy. Yun part ng buhay ko ngayon na na-enjoy ko kasi with the freedom that you can get through the businesses, yung time freedom na yun, I can spend more time with our family. I'm also a vlogger. I vlog about different types of content. Winner kasi ang goal namin this year is mag 100,000. So, sa lahat ng mga subscribers na gusto mag-subscribe sa channel ko, pag umabot 100,000, papamigay kami ng 100,000 pesos. Diba? Yan ang freedom.
I came from a family of doctors and lawyers, but my dad and my mom is employed. So medyo parang hindi talaga ako into business. It was really just from Billy na nakuha ko yung business mindset. As in, magkaiba talaga. Yung sanay ka sa 15-30 na salary, tapos pag nag-business, parati yung sinasabi, ito weekly, then mas hawak mo yung oras mo. I think through Billy and by yung sa kanya, parati yung sinasabi sa akin to watch this, watch that, watch this, watch that.
Read this.
Read this and read that. Malaking chunk talaga
talaga
is yung vitamin company na where we belong right now. Because through this company na mulat talaga ako dun sa opportunity na, oh my gosh, as in there is this big opportunity out there that can really give you what you want in life. And at the same time, aside from that, because of this company, mas dun na na-ignite sa akin yung I think I can try this one. So that's with our restaurant before. And then eventually now, through this, where we are right now, the Chateau, this is a result of hard work then from our vitamins company. Kaya sobrang grateful ako because walang katumbas yung rewards na pwede mo makuha compared to when you are employed.
Pakalayo kasi chemical engineering, and then wala namang bahid ng entrepreneurship dyan, marketing, sales. Well, I think when I grew up, seeing my dad and mom, yun yung nag-inspire sa akin na mag-business. Dating nagre-rent lang kami. Nung nalugi yung negosyo ng daddy ko, napilitan ko na akong mag-work. Doon ko ngayon nahirap na experience na yung sobrang hirap na buhay. Pero thinking about parang ito na ba yung buhay ko nun? Naisip ko, baka naman si Lord may mabibigay pang mas maganda. Tapos, parang naisip ko, ba't ko ba pinahirapan yung sarili ko? Umuwi ako. And then nag-sorry ako sa daddy ko. Yung current ko na company ngayon, na 15 years, no? 15 years na tayo, babe. 15 years, grabe. Kung wala akong loyalty award sa mga elementary high school, dapat dito sa kumpanyang to meron.
Meron na.
Meron ba?
Oh, sa akin din, may loyalty award ka na.
Oo, 15 na rin kami. 15 years na rin kaming married. Ang dami kong failure actually. Yung real estate, di naman nag-start. Pa-start pa lang, palpak na. Benta ako ng mga takore, mga cooking materials, diba? Franchise, tama? Until finally, nahanap ko na yung tamang business, tamang kumpanya para sa akin. Pero bago ko nahanap yun, nakahanap ko muna yung tamang babae para sa akin.
There's no perfect recipe talaga na mag-build ng big agad in this company. Pero yung nag-work sa amin ni Billy, number one dyan siguro yung tamang tandem. Nung nag-start kami sa vitamins company namin before, wala namang nagturo, wala rin naman nag-mentor right away. Ang meron lang noon was the belief that we will be successful. So for me at that time, I just applied what I learned from my previous job from the hotel. Kasi it's people business. Yung pagiging hospitable goes a long way to people. Then I didn't know na yun pala yung gusto rin ng ibang tao, na it's not only about money, it's also about building relationship.
Tama.
So what happened with Billy, together with Billy naman, was ako, while I was forming relationship with people, he was the one naman yung more on strategies and tactics on how they can build more about the business. Ang maganda doon, nag-respond ng maganda yung tao.
Figuring things out as you go through life, na mabalanse mo yung business, yung family, and then minumold mo din yung sarili mo, nag-aaral ka. Kung babalikan ko yung sarili ko noon, siguro sasabihin ko sa kanya, mas bilisan niya pa. Kung yung alam mo lang ngayon, alam mo na noon,
Mas
edi,
mapapabilis mo pa talaga.
oo, mas mapabilis mo pala na. Siguro yung isang payo ko sa sarili ko, pwede ko sabihin na genius kapag yung natutunan mo mahalin, yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin. So every time na kung ganun yung mindset mo, willing kang matuto, edi lahat yung resulta mo mas magiging mas mabilis.
Na-realize ko na we are so privileged and so blessed to have this kind of business, the vitamins business, because meron kaming nakita dito na hindi nakikita sa iba. That is leverage. So, ang maganda for 15 years namin ni Billy, trinabaho namin siya for continuously 10 straight years na may onting short breaks in between, okay? But then, nung nag-pandemic, that was the time I got pregnant with our baby girl. That's the time parang the world stopped, nag-transition to online. While everybody was so busy transitioning and nagkukumahog sila on what's gonna happen, we were actually just living our life. That was the time na parang wala kaming iniisip, hindi kami bothered, hindi kami namumroblema kung may papasok ba, may pagkain ba kami, may panggastos ba kami, may pambayad ba kami. Wala. So, doon ko na-realize na sobrang laki ng difference nung company namin because in this company, aside from it's international and it pays us in dollars, okay, yung leverage mo with people, yun yung hindi matatawaran ng iba eh. So, ang maganda dito sa amin, yung business na to, as long as kahit papano you touch base little by little, it will still continue to move forward. So, ang maganda dyan, compared to the traditional, 100% you have to give your effort. Pag hindi mo binigay, wala. Kaya yun pa lang, winner na siya. Kaya sabi ko parati kay Billy, sabi ko, B, kailan mo ba ilalabas yung pagiging dragon mo talaga? Kasi parang sinasabi niya sa akin na hindi mo pa nakikita yung talagang kaya kong ibigay. So just imagine, 10-star, di ba? Nag-10-star kami in this vitamin company nang hindi pa lumalabas yung pinaka-dragon. So just imagine what more kapag ka nalabas na.
Pangarap ko talagang mag-retire at the age of 40. Hindi ko siya nagawa kasi nga, sa ganda ng business, nakapag-retire ako at 37. So, na-decide kami mag-retire, 37, January, March naman, tumama yung pandemic. Sabi ko, testingin ko nga kung talagang yung promise ng company na to, passive income, pwede. Magandang blessing talaga ni Lord yung company. Actually, itong chateau, tawag namin, the house that...
Vitamins, Bill.
Yun. Ibang level na ma-experience mo yung 100% time freedom, tapos may perang pumapasok na kung tutuusin, di ba, parang ito yung blessing na ang hirap-hirap ng buhay noong time na yon, pero hindi namin pinoblema yung pera during that time of crisis. Bago namin ma-experience tong lahat ng sarap ng to, naghirap muna kami ng sobra-sobra. Bukod doon sa business aspect o yung financial, ito yung sobrang nakita ko na, alam mo yun, sobrang winner, na mabilis kami nakakatulong. So nakaka-empower kami ng mga tao, hindi lang sa pag-aayuda. Although meron kami, like isa sa pangarap namin yung magkaroon ng scholarship, di ba, Beb? Meron kaming 10 kids na pinag-aral, tapos meron kaming isang policewoman na graduating na 2 years from now. So, maganda. Pero yung isang gusto kong aspect ng negosyong to is yung sinabi niyang leverage ng mga tao. Dito, yung nakita kong maganda dito, walang requirement. Ang requirement lang siguro basta dapat may pangarap ka. Tapos willing ka matuto. So pag pinag-aralan mo siya, yung mahirap, dadali. Pag dumali, may resulta ka. So hindi lang ang magic. It would take weeks, months, years. Depende dun sa tao kung gaano ba siya kabilis gumalaw. Marami nagtatanong kasi, ba't gaano ba kabilis ako pwede mag-successful dyan? Sabi ko, abay, ewan ko sa'yo, gaano kabilis gumalaw? Kasi kung mabagal ka naman, edi matagal. Kung mabilis ka, edi mabilis din. At the end of the day, ikaw pa din yung kailangan mag-decide whether gusto mo siyang subukan. Parang ngayon, post-pandemic, uso na maging entrepreneur. Hindi na siya mindset. Ngayon, part of life.
Just to give you an idea, this chateau is a 948 square meter property, a minute walk from the beach, and inside a very private residential village in La Ia, San Juan. So, nung pre-project namin to, it was actually during pandemic. So, sino mag-aakala na kung kailan pa pandemic, dun pa namin siya pre-project. So, kaya ko siya naging project, it's been close to my heart dahil nga ang first love ko before was hospitality. So, nung unang original plan was to migrate muna here from Manila kung hindi nga tuloy ang face-to-face ng schooling ng kids. But then, bumalik, kaya nangyari, hindi naman pwedeng walang mangyari dito sa chateau na pinatayo namin. So, ang nangyari, naging stream of income siya. We opened the doors of this chateau to other people to enjoy. Kaya natutuwa ako because kahit na parang it's been 15 years since I last parang work in a hotel, pero ngayon parang bumabalik ako dun sa first love ko, which is hospitality. So, kaya ko siya favorite kasi it's been really close to my heart to really host. Kaya siguro aside from yung Maserati, yung mga cars na nakuha rin namin, yung Camaro, yung RX-8, and yung house namin in Manila, another na sobrang excited kami is yung ma-acquire pa namin ulit for our kids, which is yung Rockwell nga beside Ateneo. So, lahat ng mga results na to, lahat to nanggaling lang din sa Vitamins Company. So, kung titignan mo maigi, parang ako 15 years ago, naisip ko ba na magkakaganito? Hindi ko siya maiisip. Pero dahil nga naging posible siya, ngayon, parang iniisip ko, kahapon, I was already browsing, ang kailangan next target natin, building. Commercial building. So, imagine mo, sky's the limit na siya. Kaya nga, yung favorite ko talaga
100 floors.
100 floors. 111.
Harap ka na lang din naman.
Oh, 'di ba? So, kaya ngayon it opened a lot of doors for us, and I think ito rin yung kailangan makita ng mga tao na when you do this business and really give your 100%, yung reward is really endless. So, no limits talaga. Ang nagiging kalaban mo lang dito is yung impatience. And at the same time, yung gusto mong madaliin lahat, wala naman talagang maganda na nadadaan sa mabilisan. So I think, for me, just take it from us who's been here for 15 years and who has amassed a lot of things from this Vitamins Company na kung kaya namin, nagawa din namin, kaya din ng ibang tao. And kung yung taong nakakita nito na hindi pa nagsistart, wag mong isipin
PM niya
din.
na ako.
Tsaka wag niyong isipin na it's too late. It's never too late. Baka malay mo, you're just starting from where we were 15 years ago. You're 23 years old or 25 years old now. So you will already know 15 years after, this is what you can get.
Hindi normal yung may rags to riches na yumaman, tas marami kang napayaman, nakasama. Yun yung kakaiba sa storya mo. Pag naalala ko yun, yung mga types na mga gutom kami, naghahati kami sa isang manok, yung tipong inaantok ka na, pero in term namin, magbabaliwan, mag-i-inspirean kami ng mga kasama ko noon. Parang, tapos ngayon, hindi lang yung kotse, pero laos na nga yun sa atin yun eh. Parang more on, parang yung bahay na di ba? Na, parang sabi nga ng isa, ganda-ganda ng kotse mo, pangit naman ng bahay mo, nakitira ka sa nanay mo. Sabi ko, grabe naman to. Kasi ako dati yun. Di ba? Parang nakakamaro, pero yung bahay namin, maganda naman yung bahay natin.
Maganda naman
Pero,
yung bahay natin.
pero ang point lang is, sabi ko, walang basagan ng trip. Yun yung maganda sa company. Trip mo na mangolekta ng mga goma. Sige, trip mo mangolekta ng mugs. Mangolekta ng sports car, G.I. Joe, NBA cards. Gusto mo makolekta ng experience, ng travel, di ba? It's up to you. Hashtag walang basagan ng trip dito sa kumpanyang to. Na, nakikita ko, yung freedom, hindi lang time, freedom of financial, hindi. Pero ito, freedom of choice. Nabibigay niya na magkaroon ka ng pagkakataong mamili ng mga bagay na gusto mong gawin na sa totoo lang sa buhay ngayon, bibihira. Ginagawa lang natin, pagkakasyahin natin yung sa sweldo, pagkakasyahin natin yung sa oras, kaya nga Mayo 1, di ba, is our favorite, pero sana sa vlog na to o sa podcast na to, ma-inspire natin lahat ng mga taong nanonood ngayon. Gawin yung tamang attitude, no, na kailangan para tayo maging successful. Sa ating individual na industries na pinili, di ba? Kung meron nga ako mapapayo, hanap ka ng right company, ng right opportunity, right team, and syempre pinaka-importante, yung right you. Kasi pag right na lahat, pero hindi pa tamang ikaw, hindi rin magiging tama yung resulta mo. So para matamaan mo yung goal mo na yan, di ba? Kailangan lahat right, lahat tama, para sa pool na sa pool. I hope na-inspire namin kayo through our story.
Sobrang thank you sa Vitamins Company namin. It won't be possible without the Vitamins Company. And sana kung na-inspire kayo, feel free to message us if you have questions or inquiry. And sana na-inspire din namin kayo to work hard on your dreams and never give up.
Tandaan nyo, ang opportunity, palagi natin sinasabi, sipag at tiyaga. Pero dapat may RO. Ano yun? Yung right opportunity. And yung right opportunity natin, hindi yan magpapakita sa'yo. Dapat ginagrab mo.